Definitions of Chapter 7, Class 6th. Root. The part of a plant that grows under the soil and supports the plant is called roots. Roots are shown in the pic by removing the soil around it. Prop roots. Those roots that grow down from the branches and fixes itself to the soil to give additional support to the branches. Such roots are called prop roots. For example, banyan tree. Banyan tree has prop roots. You can see in the pic also the hanging aerial roots which are arising from the branches of the banyan tree. So these are prop roots. Shoot. The part of the plant that grows above the ground and has branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. This part is called shoot. In the pic you can see the root system. So this has been shown and the shoot system. And this part we are able to see because it is above the ground and it bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Lamina, the broad expanded part of a leaf, is known as lamina. You can see a pic of the leaf and the broad flat surface of the leaf. So this is called lamina. It is marked by the red line. Photosynthesis, the process of manufacturing food by leaves by taking water and minerals from soil, carbon dioxide from atmosphere in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So this process is known as photosynthesis. Simply we can say the process of making food by green plant is known as photosynthesis. Children, you are able to see the pic. In the pic, sunlight is necessary. Plants are taking water and minerals from the soil with the help of roots and carbon dioxide from the air. They are releasing out oxygen as oxygen is also produced in photosynthesis. Transpiration, the process of loss of water vapor through the stomatal opening of a plant. This process is called transpiration. Transpiration, in this process, the plant loses extra water in the form of water vapor through the stomata of the leaves. Pollination, the method of transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of a flower. So this process is called pollination.